Getting the disconnection is not private error in Safari on your iPhone? Don't worry, this usually happens due to SSL certificate issues, incorrect time settings, or network problems. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check date and time settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Date and Time. Ensure Set Automatically is toggled on. Incorrect time settings can cause SSL errors when connecting to websites. Solution 2. Enable Allow Website Tinting and clear Safari cache and data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Find out the Safari browser and tap it. Scroll down. Turn off Allow Website Tinting and turn it back on. And select Clear History and Website Data. Confirm your selection. This clears cache data that might be causing security certificate errors. After that, scroll down again. Tap Advanced. Tap Website Data. Tap Remove All Website Data. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Running the latest version of iOS ensures you have the most recent security fixes. Just follow these steps and you should be able to fix the disconnection is not private error in Safari on your iPhone. If the issue still isn't resolved, you may need to reach out to Apple support for help.